Do you want to enable anonymous post on your Facebook group just within a few minutes? Then in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can do this. All right. So now to enable anonymous posts in your Facebook group, all you need to do is just head over to your Facebook and go to your groups. Okay. So if this is your Facebook group, for example, then the next thing for you to do is to check out the settings of your Facebook group. So I'm just going to click on manage right here. Okay. So then when you click on manage, the next thing for you to do is to head over to your settings. Okay, so right here you can see settings, group settings. So just tap on group settings. All right, so depending on your phone interface, right here just like using the desktop version. Okay, so if your phone is maybe the mobile application or whatever, just go to your settings. Okay, just try and look at the settings because Facebook has several interfaces and my own interface might be a little bit different, but just try and look at the settings from your own end. But if you're even using the desktop, you can just use a browser, facebook.com, and tap on this. You're gonna see a three-dotted line right here instead of this arrow up. Tap on that and you can change it to desktop site. Okay, so once you change it to desktop site, just try to make it www, okay, instead of this. So this is what I mean. So just try to, okay, so try to make it www instead of this dot. Okay, so change it to www and it's gonna look like, you know, a desktop version just like this. Okay, so this is how you can solve that. And once you do that, you scroll down, and you can see right here anonymous posting. Okay, so you can see anonymous posting right here. So just tap on this pencil icon. You can see that it is off. Okay, in this manage discussion, just check down. The anonymous posting is the last one there. So just tap on this pencil icon and it's gonna tell you, you know, how it works, and tell you anonymous posts appear in the group without blah blah blah. You can read all that. And the next thing for you to do is just to toggle this on. Okay, so you on it, and once you on it, you click on save. So right here you can see that anonymous posting is now on. Okay, so if I should try to post on my group, okay, so just tap on write a post, and right here you can see that the anonymous posting is now enabled. Okay, so you can see post anonymously. I want to post anonymously, and you can see that I'm now able to post anonymously. Okay, so submit an anonymous post. So this is exactly how you can enable anonymous post on your Facebook group, and other people also will be able to post anonymously. But the thing about this is that even if someone posts anonymously on your Facebook group, you as the admin, you're gonna know who the person is. But other group members are the only one that will not know who that person is. But you as the admin, you're gonna know who the person is. So anonymous post is a cool thing for you to enable on your group, since you're still gonna know who is the person posting. So I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. It encourages me to keep creating more tutorials for you guys. And if you like this video, please kindly hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people. And don't forget to comment your thoughts and questions below in the comment box. I'm always happy to always reply your comments. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm gonna see you in some other video tutorials. Peace.